best Orishirishi banana bread recipe. I'm going to drop all the measurements in the description. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to sieve all my dry ingredients together: the flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, and the cinnamon powder. So after adding the cinnamon powder, I'm just going to sieve everything together. Once I'm done sieving it, I'm going to add in my salt. Then I'm going to set the dry ingredients aside. This is the best banana you can use for banana bread. The other banana is not really good for banana bread, so this is the banana you should use. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to peel all my bananas and I'm going to match them. Once you are done matching your bananas, you are just going to measure 2 cups of your banana mixture into another bowl. So I'm going to be adding my egg to this. I'm using 2 egg yolk and 2 whole eggs, making it about 4 eggs, but it's just 2 egg yolk, then 2 whole eggs. So you're just going to mix that together. After that, I'm going to be adding my melted butter. Before you measure your butter, you can measure your butter before melting it. So that's what I did. I measured it first before I melted my butter. So the next thing I'm going to add now is my evaporated milk. Then I'm going to mix that together. Then I added my flavors to it. I'm going to be adding my sugar now. Then after adding sugar, I'm just going to mix that together. I'm going to transfer it into a bigger bowl before adding my dry ingredients to it. Next ingredient I'll be adding is my orange juice. Just note that this is optional. It's not compulsory you add orange juice, but I like the taste of orange juice in my banana bread. So I'm going to be folding in my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. Note that when you are adding your dry ingredients, you are not going to be mixing it. You are just going to be folding it. That's why I stopped using the egg whisk and I started using my spatula to fold it in. So like I said, this is the Orishirishi variant. I'm going to be using a combination of fruit and nuts for this. You can use any fruit and nut you have available, but the ones I use is coconut, cashew nut, groundnut, even dried mango. Then I added my peanut butter to this. So after adding all my nuts, I'm just going to fold them in. So I'm just going to grease my pan and I'm going to pour my batter inside my already greased loaf pan. Then I'm going to bake this for 60 minutes on low heat. So after baking for 60 minutes, this is how our banana bread is looking. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe.